game is fantastic. I love it.
There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the Blizon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase court soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. When I know it's safe.
Guess we'll be doing that.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Oh, mother.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Testing comms.
Hello?
The tremors are increasing in frequency
Saw
and
an enemy over
size.
here.
Safety first. Try not to trip, slip, or break anything.
Of course. Hello, game? What the heck?
You're in the greatest of pain. Swallow. Be quick. Okay. Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no.
How do I get up there, though? This fucking lava thing is so annoying.
Hurry. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful.
I need to warn you about very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed, we should be cautious.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right. Another bot. On it. Behind the safety glass.
Oh, motherfucker.
Got him!
Stop and listen. It's damaged. It was destroyed. You don't need it that badly.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes.
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request? Denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, the crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Engaging charming access.
What are y'all doing here? Returning to chief engineer with important message.
Aw, Sam. Always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this
Wait,
message.
huh?
That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Oh, mother.
Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are staying there inside the house. Room. The ceiling. I always
That
forget
doesn't
to
seem
look
safe.
up.
Oh.
Location. Unknown. Life form. Unknown. Protocol. Destroy. Our futile resistance is unstoppable.
Fine. Goodbye.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew.
Hey, Bree.
Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. You guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes.
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
Whoa! That can't be good!
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Ooh, boss.
That means you can deal with it. Are you ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
Yes, sir. Puzzle time. Alright, let's see if I can bring big brain
Your
time.
possibilities. Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out
Okay.
loud.
Ah, I said
So-
sir.
The most
way.
up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
What am I missing here? I
So
am
he left me in
confusion, as
charge,
they say.
and even when the
Oh,
university-
I get it. Gotta weigh this bad boy down. Grab this one,
are
and then
heavy.
grab that, and then go here.
I am blocked. Saw can help.
Dang it. Oh, wait. Oh, need a ball back. Thank you.
For some
Ta-da! He did it.
saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book. That's a Kerchu tooth. That's a terrible
Ooh, yeah.
logo.
If I
That
circle to
was
teleport,
incredible,
I'm gonna
Clank.
grab a
Only
ball,
two-
and then I'll teleport. And let's see if I keep the balls.
What?
I do not. Just kidding, guys.
Find
That
their
one
way.
goes there, and then...
That saw is
Oh.
blocking the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that.
And you call yourself a prophet, eh? Oh, oops. I didn't even... Why does my guy look like this? Hello?
Ah, the Blizzard anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
Thank you.
No, thank you. And remember, confidence.
Anime run.
Now we
Did
can
it.
deal with the clock.
I sent the top miners on the team to fix the tube, and they got that did it. Hydraulic supply restored.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Use the drill, get our phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bulbs. We're not done yet. Stop it from
To
happening
the
in
right,
this
to
dimension.
the right. Oh, no. Ah, I jumped. Okay, I'm about to say.
Nowhere to go!
Shit.
We thought, okay, lockdown. It wasn't enough.
What?
You're literally dog water. Here we go catch it under the couch. You couldn't aim if you were AOL.
What?
Am I even going there?
We are fast approaching the main drill.
10-4.
Wow. It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
All right.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Okay. Okay, Rivet. Learn a thing or two from you.
Lombax robot, brilliant news. I decoded the message from beyond.
Guess the enemies are gonna show up.
Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rifts damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What?
Oh.
We just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown.
Phase quartz suspended in the drill beam.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please
Oh.
be careful.
Yes!
Wait, did I have that mask on the whole time? I don't think I did.
You guys.
That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
Is there a ramp or something I could take? Am I blind? Oh, wow.
Bad news, everybody. I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tool to 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die. As I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
Got him. Oh. That's danger. The crystal.
Rivet.
Oh, the crystal, you idiot.
Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the
Yeah,
Lord
it's
used to
open.
tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer.
Are we going now?
If it's broke, the Fixer will fix it.
Then I suppose
Sure.
we should see if the
Let me
legends are
just change my
true.
clothes.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. Ah, false. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... Ah! I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion Nefarabox. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It seems Dr.
I like the
Nefarious
little
will stop
drawings.
at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving.